Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple and quick way to change your location settings in the SHEIN app on your Android phone. Whether you want to shop from a different country or update your preferences, this guide will help you do it easily. Let's get started. First, open the SHEIN app on your Android mobile device. Next, tap on the Me icon at the bottom. Then, tap on the Settings icon at the top right corner. Then, select Location from the list of settings options. Now, choose the country you want to switch to from the available list. Finally, confirm your selection by clicking on the Continue button. Once you do this, the app will update your location and adjust available products and offers accordingly. Thanks for watching. Changing your location on the SHEIN app is that simple and helps you access products specific to your chosen country. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. See you in the next video.